When it comes to increasing the value of your home in New Orleans, one of the smartest and most overlooked investments is door replacement. This relatively simple upgrade packs a significant punch, delivering both curb appeal and energy efficiency, two essential factors that homebuyers prioritize. Whether you're preparing to sell or planning to stay for years to come, upgrading your doors can offer both immediate comfort and long-term value. The power of first impression. In New Orleans, where historic charm and Southern style meet modern living, a beautiful entry door can set the tone for your entire home. Your front door is the first thing guests and prospective buyers see, and that first impression matters. Replacing a dated or damaged door with a stylish, secure, and energy-efficient option can instantly enhance your home's exterior. Steel and fiberglass entry doors, in particular, offer a blend of elegance and durability. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of natural wood while resisting moisture and humidity, a key concern in New Orleans' subtropical climate. Meanwhile, steel doors are known for their strength and security. Both types come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, making it easy to find one that complements your home's architectural design. Energy efficiency pays off. In a climate like New Orleans, where hot, humid summers dominate most of the year, energy efficiency is more than just a bonus, it's a necessity. Old doors often let in drafts, heat, and moisture, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime and driving up energy bills. Modern doors are built with insulation and weather stripping technologies that significantly reduce air leaks and thermal transfer. Replacing old, inefficient doors with new, energy-rated models can lower monthly utility costs and improve indoor comfort year-round. For eco-conscious homeowners, this also means a smaller carbon footprint, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Door replacement doesn't just improve looks and efficiency, it also adds a critical layer of safety. Modern doors are designed with stronger materials, multi-point locking systems, and reinforced frames, making them significantly more secure than older models. In a city like New Orleans, where weather events and occasional crime are part of the reality, homeowners value peace of mind. Patio doors and sliding glass doors have also evolved, with many now featuring impact-resistant glass and reinforced locks. These upgrades are especially important for homes in flood-prone or hurricane-susceptible areas. Return on investment. According to national remodeling surveys, door replacements consistently rank among the top home improvement projects for ROI. In fact, replacing an entry door can return as much as 70 to 80% of the investment when selling a home. In a competitive real estate market like New Orleans, where buyers look for homes that are move-in ready and energy efficient, a high-quality door can be the differentiator. It's also a relatively low-cost upgrade compared to kitchen or bathroom remodels, yet it can dramatically transform your home's appearance and function. Whether it's a new entry door, French doors leading to the garden, or a stylish sliding door to the patio, the value added is both tangible and aesthetic. Tailoring to New Orleans style. New Orleans is a city known for its eclectic architecture, from Creole cottages and shotgun houses to grand Victorian homes. The good news is that door replacement options are diverse enough to match any architectural style. Whether you're looking for a vibrant, custom-colored front door that pops in the garden district or a charming wood-style door to suit a bywater cottage, there's something for every taste. Many local contractors offer customization services to ensure your new door not only boosts value but also preserves the soul of your home, an essential detail in this culturally rich city. Final thoughts. If you're looking to boost your home's value in New Orleans, don't underestimate the impact of door replacement. It's a smart, cost-effective upgrade that delivers immediate curb appeal, energy savings, enhanced security, and a strong return on investment. Whether you're renovating for resale or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and attractive home, a new door is a small change that makes a big difference.